Morning everyone. Good morning Nelson. Good morning me. This is Auntie. Now it's hard for me here. Even I'm sick right now. I'm still have to get up on the bed. I'm cooking our lunch and dinner now. So we don't eat lunch yet. So you guys you see I make this. I cook a hash of feet of pig. Right now ito yung kukod ng baboy. So, naglaga ako, parang sinika. Nilagyan ko guys ng papaya. So, ito ngayon, yummy. I miss you guys there. Okay, so look at this food for now. So, kailangan na tatayo ka dito kasi wala ka ng katulong. Not like this, not like there in the Philippines guys. Maraming makakasama mo. Ngayon dito, wala na, iba na. Kung hindi ka babangon, walang tutulong sa iyo. Hindi kagaya ng iba dyan na maski basta may pira ka, mayroon tutulong sa kanila, dito wala. Okay, so ito lang na na-miss ko sa inyo dyan guys, sa pagtulong nyo sa amin na nandyan kami. So sana nandito kayo. So ito ang last namin, papaya na nilaga, sinigang, you know, with half feet ng baboy. Oh, okay guys, look at that. So, andito si Kuya Bin mo mamaya. He will eat this. But I just need to listen. Okay? Saya ako. So, how you guys doing? Okay. So, bablog ko ito. Panoorin nyo mamaya. Ringo, na-miss din kita. Sana nandito ka. Ikaw ang magluluto ng pagkain namin ni Uncle mo, ha? Okay, guys. Nice to see you guys. Again, soon. Okay, alright. So ito na, tatapos na ito, bawang sibuyas lang at saka fresh na tomato. So pinapatinder ko lang itong papaya guys until you know, make it soft, the vegetables. But anyway, you know, the panang baboy is already malambot na. So I'll wait for maybe 5 more minutes and I'm done. So I miss you. Okay, bye now. Okay, talk to you guys later, okay? Alright. So, ito na ang resulta niya. Tapos na ito. See you guys soon.